What do I have to pay? All right, the next week. So I'm going to put the best one. I don't think I'll take Gardo. They're only new briefly. Oh, are they? Let's go somewhere else.
Where have you got to, Catherine?
What? Their jumpers, literally.
I'm going to put it on now.
Catherine, where have you got to?
I don't only need you.
Right, okay.
Short sleeve trousers,
No,
long sleeve
right.
trousers, I'm
Are
on
you-
knitwear and I've got
Yeah.
up to medium.
Did you say you've done short sleeve?
Yeah, and long sleeves. So
Oh, right.
I'm on
Oh, lovely,
knitwear
thank
on the
you.
large.
What date is it? 6.
Teaching your kids how to save may not be this easy.
All right.